Hi Dooneynistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So I am going to be sharing with you today one of the most underrated collections of Dooney. So the collection that I'm going to be sharing with you today is my Dooney and Bourke nylon collection. So if you are interested in seeing the bags that I have in my nylon collection, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first bag in my collection is the Dooney and Bourke nylon Smith bag in the color khaki with black trim. Absolutely beautiful bag. I love the leather trim against the nylon. This bag has the shiny brass hardware as well as the beautiful white stitching. That is a beautiful pop. What I love about the Smith bag is the pocket on the front. As you can see, it is full leather with a very easy snap closure. Absolutely beautiful. This bag has a cute little duck accent on the front as well as a brass keychain here, which I absolutely love. It is classic Dooney and Bourke. It also is backed by a leather luggage tag, which I think also gives the bag a nice little touch. And it also has a straight little tassel detail as well. The thing that I love about these nylon Smith bags is that it has a back pocket which would very nicely fit a larger cell phone. And as you can see, there is a little bit of soiling on this bag. I lent it out to a friend and no, because I know I can wash them and wipe them down with no problem. The inside is one of my favorites. It is lined with this beautiful, bright, and vibrant pink color. Absolutely beautiful. The inside is pocketed like most of our Dooney and Bourke bags. It has a slip pocket, a zip pocket, and on the other side it has a smaller little accessory pocket as well as a pocket with the snap. Lots and lots of room. The Smith bag is one of my favorites. It has a nylon key keeper. Go figure with that one. Absolutely beautiful and fun bag. Okay guys, so this is one bag that I was so hesitant and excited at the same time to add to my collection, and this is the Dooney and Bourke nylon Wyndham tote. This is the large in the color French blue. Absolutely stunning color. What I love about this bag is the handles. They are very comfortable. They are a very nice size. And again, all of my nylon bags are used as beater bags, bags that I take to travel, or just bags that I take to just throw around. This particular bag has the rubber feet on the bottom. I know it was some controversy when these rubber feet first came out, but to me they're absolutely perfect. So what I'm showing you here is the strap and handle system on this bag. When I first picked it up, I was so hesitant because of how the strap attaches and just how it hangs whenever you carry the bag. But this bag is huge on the inside. It is very versatile and also it carries a lot. It's lightweight. You can use it for travel by just folding it up. So on the inside it has just a little trim of suede, as you can see, and the beautiful red zipper. And On the inside, you guys, this bag is huge. You can also use it as an overnight bag as well. So on the inside, it has two zippers on either side, and it also has a slip pocket here on the front. Lots of organization, lots of room, and again, very, very lightweight. There are no pockets on the outside, and again, on the opposite wall, there is a zip pocket as well as a slip pocket. Okay, really guys? A white nylon Smith bag? Come on now. So this bag I acquired in my collection by trade from our very own Aj. A few years ago, we both traded a bag, and this was one of the bags that I traded for her. So this is the Dooney Bourke nylon Smith bag in the color white with the beautiful butterscotch trim. As you can see, it has patinaed over time. It used to be a lot lighter than this. It does have the leather key keeper for those that care. And absolutely beautiful bag, you guys. Again, the same setup as the Khaki, but on the inside, this one has a beautiful yellow pop of color. Absolutely beautiful. I really, really enjoy carrying these bags. Again, they are such great, durable bags for travel and just for those days when you want to be light and just carry something a little bit lighter in weight, but still very, very stylish. Absolutely love it. So the next bag, guys, is one that I was kind of on the fence about, and it is the Olivia satchel. This is also a nylon bag that I picked up from the sample sale maybe 3 or so years ago. And this is in the color Kelly Green with the beautiful Sierra leather trim. Absolutely beautiful. And this type nylon is a little bit thicker than the prior bags that I shared with you earlier. Still nylon, still durable, still absolutely beautiful, easy to keep clean. You just wipe it off with soap and water. And the straps on this bag do not lay down, but they are very comfortable, in my opinion at least. Very comfortable bag to carry. It holds a lot. It has a beautiful braided zipper pull just to give it a little bit of pizzazz. The trim against this Kelly Green is absolutely beautiful. It has the gold tone hardware. It has 4 beautiful feet on the bottom, and it also has an adjustable strap. And if I'm not mistaken, it has a middle section. I do not reach for these bags often, but I think it does have the strap where you can make it as a short shoulder or you can wear it as a crossbody. And this bag does have the pockets on the side, but in my opinion, the pockets are not very usable or functionable. If they are, to me, for me, it's just too much hassle to try to get my items in and out of the pockets. So again, the Dooney Bourke Olivia satchel. And on the inside, it is just the standard cotton on the inside. Still fairly easy to keep clean. It has a nylon key keeper. And again, just your standard pocket system on the inside. So here we go, guys. The Olivia satchel in nylon in the color Kelly Green. So here is one of my faves. Again, this is the Smith in the color black with the Sierra leather trim. Absolutely beautiful. for some reason, I love this color combination of black with Sierra leather trim. I just think it gives the bag a casual feel. And on the inside, bam, there we go, guys. It is this beautiful hot pink. And I think that it is a beautiful complement to the black with the Sierra leather trim. Again, beater bag, it has a few scratches on the front that I have not tried to get out with conditioner or anything like that, because it is a bag that I carry and throw around, and they are just so durable. So the next bag is the Nylon Nina, and it is in the color navy with black trim. And I have always wanted to try out this silhouette, but for some reason I felt it was too small. It is on the smaller side of medium, but again, this is just a bag that I wanted to try out to decide if I wanted other leathers. It has an adjustable handle system or strap system where you can adjust it. It has a very nice size strap. It is very comfortable to carry. It does not pass the elbow test, so when I carry this bag, I carry it by the handle. And then here we are with the front pocket with this very nice pop of color here on the front where you can put your cell phone or your keys or anything for easy access. It has no feet on the bottom, and it also on the inside has a beautiful pop of color, which is our beautiful hot pink. The system on the side has one smaller accessory pocket, a zip pocket, it has the leather patch, and on the other side it has two little accessory type slip pockets. So this is an older style, so the setup is a little bit different than our newer bags. Love, love, love this bag, you guys. That pop of pink is so much fun. So on the front, it has a cute little duck as well, just to give it a little bit of pizzazz and just add a little bit more fun. So again, this is the Dooney Bourke Nylon Nina in the color navy. Okay guys, so the next bag is another Olivia satchel, and this is in the color turquoise. This is another bag that I picked up from the sample sale several years back. Very nice bag to carry. Again, the camera is not doing this color any justice at all. It is a true, very bright and vibrant turquoise. So again, the Olivia satchel. So the next bag, guys, last but not least, this is the very first nylon bag that I owned in this collection. So this is the nylon Smith bag in the color Kelly green with butterscotch trim, and again, this trim was a lot lighter. It has patinaed beautifully. And what caught me with this bag initially was the beautiful yellow interior. Absolutely beautiful. I think it is the perfect match for the green and the butterscotch trim. This also has that cute little bag charm and the duck on the front. Again, the Nylon Smith and Kelly Green. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Unfortunately, all of these bags are discontinued, but I do see them pop up on the secondhand market, sometimes even new with tags. But I still wanted to share with you the nylon bags in my collection, especially because of the upcoming summer season. They are lightweight, they're durable, and perfect for summer weather. So anyway guys, thank you again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.